question number 21. The planet of mass m is in a circular orbit of radius r around a star. So star, then there is a planet of mass m which is around a circular orbit. The orbital speed of this planet is v. Orbital speed is right v. The second planet of mass 2m is in a circular orbit of radius 1.5 r. Now 1.5 r, where will be this? This is r over here. 1.5 r could be this one. This could be your 1. Okay, much farther away. The mass of this is 2m, and what is the orbital speed of second planet? First, let us find out how this v is related to these parameters. Let me assume this mass of the star is capital M. So we know orbital velocity is given by v is equal to square root of gm divided by r. What is this for? This is the orbital velocity of the first planet. Now orbital velocity of second planet v dash will be equal to square root of g is constant. You are not going to change this capital M. Are you changing this capital M? No, you are not changing this one. Of course, you are changing this one, but that is not reflected here. So this should just be m only divided by then r. What's the value of r? 1.5 r. 1.5 r, which should now be equal to gm divided by 3 by 2 r, which can once again be written as 2 by 3 into root of 2 by 3 into root of gm by r. Now what is root of gm by r? We already know this. So this should be root of 2 by 3 times. So the answer is option